EasyEquity and you are not using my Thrive, this is a loyalty program that allows you to navigate through the system, and as you invest, as you share EasyEquity, you are actually earning points. So if you are not using this feature, you are actually losing money. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto and stocks, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to increase your Thrive status. So when you look at my Thrive, you would see that I have level 3. So these 3 points, these are the points that actually helps me. I benefit. For example, this month I am enjoying 30% broker discount on Thrive stock, and also I do not have to pay fees. So now think about it. If you are not navigating EasyEquity, you are not doing some of the functions that they are saying you must do in order to earn more levels, you won't be able to earn. So you can even navigate through these levels. So there's level 1 up to level 10. So the biggest warning is if you don't go to my Thrive and try and work on those levels, you are actually going to be charged 25 Rand. So I went into my account and I saw that I was on negative, mainly because every month they are deducting this money. And the sad part is, when you go to all the other places where you can buy like Capitec share, you would see that the fees are very high. Like as you can see, banks are very high as well, and then PSG, Investec, and then other brokers, they are very expensive. So guys, we have to do this, unless if you can come up with another place to buy these shares. How do we earn these benefits, these discounts? We actually go through my Thrive, and then I am going to show you guys how to do that so that we can increase our status on my Thrive. So currently I'm on 0. So every month you will actually get status 0. It gets resetted so that you can go back to the system. There's so many ways you can earn on this status. So you can go through education, communication on social, financial health, and also you can also donate for good so that you can earn. So you will see all these Thrive levels. So today I am going to work on mine so that you see how I do it, and then that way you can also work on yours. So this is something that we're going to do monthly to make sure that we benefit, because we are going to contribute. We are actually going to invest in EasyEquity, and we do not want our money to be charged by fees. We do not want our money to be charged by anything. We want to get the best return by just investing. So without wasting time, let me go to my laptop and show you. So the first thing that you do, you go to your EasyEquity account and you click that flying thing, and then you see that the status is on 0, and if it's not on 3, they are going to charge me. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to read up on this, and then at the bottom you see all the activities that you can do to increase your status. And then we can start with Thrive Education, where you are actually going to learn, which is a good thing because knowledge is always good for us. So even though we are forced to learn, let's just do it, guys, in order to get the benefits. Remember, the other banks are expensive. EasyEquity is actually the cheapest one. So if you can find some place where we can buy stocks, please let me know. And then you click start, and then you will be able to go through the course. You can also listen to the course until it is finished. It is a short audio which you can listen and learn, and then when you're done learning, guys, you will be able to answer the questions that they are going to ask at the bottom. And then after answering those questions, then you will be done and also get your certificate. All right, so let's just do the questions fast so that in case maybe if you're doing the course and you want to know the answers, you can just check here. But they are quite easy. So when you're done learning, you are going to answer a few questions. I think it's 5. And when you are done with these questions, you'll get a certificate. You can browse for more and just keep learning, but I would advise you to do 1 a day so that the status can update, and then you can go back again and do another course like your introduction to crypto. There's more. So this is information that we need to learn as people. Knowledge is always good, guys. So I'm gonna go back and we can see what else you can do in order to earn these points. So when you go back to that flying thing, and you'll be able to see other activities that you can do. So you can refer a friend, you can navigate the competition. So let's just maybe refer a friend so that you can see what I normally do, because it automatically links to your social media account. So whatever you have open, it will be able to post that. So let me just do that so you can see. So I will just go and copy and click refer and end. And after clicking refer and end, you can select Facebook, Twitter, or even WhatsApp status. So let me just do WhatsApp status so you can see how you can even copy your referral link. And remember, the more you refer people, the more fees you are not going to pay. So just copy this and go post on social media, or you can just click next and it will post on your WhatsApp status. But on social media, if your Facebook is connected, you can just post. If it's not connected, you can just make a screenshot of this and then go and post on social media. So do make sure that it's coming from the system so that the points can be recorded. So I will post on all my social media platforms, and also make sure that I promote this, because the more drive fees I do not need to pay, the better for me. So you can also post on YouTube, post, get the picture, post, and this is good for you. I think at the moment I have 1,003 of these drive money, so I do not need to pay for fees because of this. But then to avoid losing this 25 rand, I think it's better just go through the whole list and do whatever you can do. Remember, put a day in between. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe or comment to advise me what video I should record next.